Samsung just refuses to stop redefining what Ultra really means. After pushing boundaries with the Galaxy S25 Ultra's already huge 6.86-inch display and those razor-thin bezels, the next generation seems ready to go even further. According to trusted leaker Ice Universe, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is rumored to step up to a 6.89-inch display. But here's the wild part. The phone's width will reportedly remain the same, around 77.6 millimeters. How's that possible? Samsung is said to be trimming the bezels down to a shocking 1.15 millimeters. That's practically science fiction level edge to edge. But it doesn't stop there. The S26 Ultra could also adopt a COE, color filter on encapsulation OLED panel, a next-gen approach that removes the traditional polarizer and replaces it with a black pixel definition layer. Translation: a brighter screen, a thinner build, reduced weight, and better power efficiency, which could also translate into longer real-world battery life without needing an oversized cell. And since Samsung already uses this tech in its Galaxy Z Fold lineup, the rumor has real credibility. Samsung's design direction is crystal clear lately: slimmer, sleeker, more premium. Just look at the Galaxy S25 Edge or the Galaxy Z Fold 7, some of the thinnest devices Samsung has ever produced. Instead of bulking up with massive batteries or oversized camera bumps, the company seems committed to making phones feel lighter and more refined. Now about cameras. Don't expect an over-the-top megapixel arms race. Word is, Samsung might stick to its 200 megapixel and 50 megapixel sensors, but focus on smarter refinements, upgraded image processing, sharper lenses, and maybe even variable aperture tricks to deliver cleaner low-light photos and more cinematic video. Those are the kinds of upgrades that professionals and creators actually notice. Bottom line, if these leaks turn out to be true, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could be Samsung's most futuristic-looking phone yet. Bigger view, thinner bezels, brighter display, lighter design, and smarter camera improvements where it matters most. So, are you ready for a near all-screen Galaxy monster? Let me know what you'd want to see tested first. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.